everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crafting with Holly. Thank you so much for joining me and popping in here. I am super excited about this November-December catalog. It launched on November 1st, and I cannot wait to share with you the Evergreen Collection. It is just absolutely stunning. Grab your copy of this catalog when you place an order on my website anytime during the month of November and December. It'll just be added to your shopping cart. Make sure that it's added to your shopping cart. You may need to add it, but you do qualify for a free copy of this catalog, and it is just jam-packed. Go back and watch my video on Silver Bells. It was one of the first collections that I shared with you. And then here is the gorgeous Evergreen Collection. I cannot wait to share with you what Tina did with the paper pack and stickers and these incredible die cuts. And then Dana always takes the corporate workshop and she just up-levels it in a way that you are going to really enjoy her changes. And then I loved the workshop for the cards so much that I really left them the same. In the past, I've done a basic, better, and best option. These were truly so beautiful. I just didn't feel like they needed to be elevated any more than they are. And I'm going to share those with you in just a minute. So go ahead and peruse the catalog on my website. There are so many beautiful collections that are exclusive only in the month of November and December. Grab these while you can. The thin cuts and stamp sets tend to sell out a lot faster. I know that this stencil and embossing folder and stamp and thin cut is probably going to sell out quickly as well. Just some really fun things, and I love that they put the National Park stamps and this thin cut in here for us. For those of us that travel a lot, it is just such a great collection, so unique to close to my heart. And of course, we have our Stamp of the Months back here. Every Friday, I share with you artwork on my channel featuring the November Stamp of the Month in November, but every month I share on the every Friday during the month. Sorry, little tongue twisted there. This is the December one. For those of you that are VIPs, it's free with a $50 purchase. This is the November set. And if you are not a VIP, it's only $5 with a $50 purchase. But in the month of November, December, and January, we are running a special for VIPs. When you join, you're going to get $25 in CTMH cash into your cart instantly that you can use on any full price product. It's normally a $15 credit, so they're adding another $10. It is just such a fabulous program. You get 15% back on every purchase that you place on our websites, and you qualify for the Stamp of the Month for free. And then there's promotions throughout the year for VIPs. So it really, truly benefits you to be a VIP with Close to My Heart. And I would love to have you join my VIP group. So here is the stamp set and thin cut, the card collection for Evergreen. This is card number 1. They're just absolutely beautiful, you guys. We're going to be doing some ink distressing. We're going to be layering with this beautiful stamp and thin cut. It's actually just a thin cut. These are the stamps, and then that beautiful pine glitter shimmer trim. So beautiful. So that's card number 1. This is card number 2. It's just so elegant and simple. I loved it just the way it was. This is card number 3. I love slim lines, and this one does not disappoint. It's just such a beautiful pattern. It's so simple. Love the accent with the shimmer trim, and then those clusters of those pines are just so beautiful. And then this is the last card. Just so simple, but I love the banner idea, and I love layering my stamps and inks, and then of course that beautiful pine multi-layered thin cut is just so fabulous. So grab this. You are going to want to grab it. And the stamp and the thin cut are only available in that card making workshop. So if that's something that you want, you will definitely need to grab it. And then these are Dana's gorgeous, gorgeous layouts. Oh my word, you guys, we are going to be doing some splattering. We're going to be doing some ink distressing, and I just love what she did here. And she added a flip flap that you can either make bookends so that they open like a bookend, or you can have them open from top to bottom. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but I just absolutely loved this. And look at that Seabrook glitter paper behind here. It just, that little bit of sparkle and shine truly makes these pop. I love her clusters that she created on here. I just love all of her elements. They just make these pages come to life, and they are just stunning. And this is one of the other pages. Again, I just love her clustering idea. I love how she ink distressed on top of the sticker. Such a brilliant idea. You are gonna love this pull-out right here. And look at how many more pictures you're going to be able to get and hidden journaling on here. Super fun. You're gonna love those techniques. Hopefully I can get this to slide back down. Oh, look at that. I can't believe I got it to actually slide down. But look at how fun. Just a really fun way to make your pages a little bit more interactive. And I just love everything, all the details on here. You got to see them in person because the camera probably doesn't do it justice. And then look at this amazing, this is the last layout in her 3-page workshop. And again, this is a pullout. And then I love all the ink distressing, and her 8x12 flip flap is stunning. It is amazing. And I'm going to just bring this over here. Look at how many more pictures you're going to be able to get onto this layout. And again, these clustering are they're just so beautiful. So that is the corporate workshop reimagined by Dana. And then I'm going to give you some sneak peeks with Dana's. I'm not going to show you everything because I want to be fair to other makers that purchase her guides and use them in their businesses as well. But these are just some sneak peeks of the clustering and the colors that she used. They're absolutely gorgeous. You will not be disappointed with these projects. And those of you that are on Facebook, you will see the full pages on my Crafting with Holly group. This is the 3rd one. And then here is the 4th one. Again, her clustering is just absolutely amazing. So that rounds out this beautiful collection. Again, thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to helping you get your scrapbooking done this winter. Thanks everyone for joining me. If you would like to click like and subscribe, I would appreciate that so much. And if you have any other crafters that you know that enjoy crafting and like learning, please have them join my Crafting with Holly Facebook group, and also have them like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.